Types of conjunction. Conjunctions are bridging words that link other words, phrases, or clauses in a sentence, making it completely understandable and coherent. For example, but, and, yet, or, because, nor, although, since, unless, while, and where, etc. Its types. There are three types of conjunctions: coordinating, subordinating, and correlative. First of all, coordinating conjunctions. These are words like and, nor, or, so, and they link similar ideas of a sentence. For example, he was late for school, so he took a shortcut. And her favorite colors were purple and red. You can see in these examples so and are coordinating conjunctions. Overall, there are 7 coordinating words. A simple mnemonic is FANSBOYS. Mnemonic means a memory aid to remember information easily. So here FANSBOYS stands F for, A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, and S for so. For example, I want a drink or a juice with lunch. And I can go with you to the doctor but not to the hairdresser. You can see in these sentences or and but are coordinating conjunctions. Now, subordinating conjunctions. These conjunctions link a dependent clause to an independent clause words such as because, since, and after help to show the relationship between the two clauses and emphasize the main idea of the independent clause. Here are some common subordinating conjunctions from easy to remember fun mnemonics such as a white bus. So let's see, what does a white bus stand for? Here A for as, although, and after. W for while, when, whereas, whenever, and whether. H for how. I for if, in case, in order to, in the event that. E for though. E for even if, even though. B for because, before. U for unless, until. And S for so that, since, supposing. Now, correlative conjunctions. These conjunctions work in pairs to join together words or phrases that have equal importance within a sentence, like either, or, neither, nor, not only, but also, so, as, whether, or, both, and. For example, you can either sell it or rent it. And both my brother and sister are engineers. In these sentences, either and are. And in the second example, both and are correlative conjunctions.